So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Besser Bae Boys Christmas Ugly Sweatshirt set with pockets, okay? You guys, first of all, look how vibrant and colorful and adorable this is. My son is obsessed with this set. We got it for him this past Christmas. He actually picked this particular one out specifically because he loves to wear ties and bow ties. And so this one features an already affixed tie that is just in the sweatshirt itself, okay? So look how cute and adorable this is. Number one. Number two, look how vibrant it is. Look at how adorable this is. So it's perfect for an ugly sweater party, ugly sweater event. He actually wore this at school. Anywhere he wears this, to be completely honest, anywhere he wears this, we get stopped everywhere. Not only do people compliment him on how adorable he looks in the outfit, they ask where we get it from every single time. So it was a hit at his school. It was also a hit when we were out and about, and he wore this so many times. It's been washed several times, and it is extremely durable, still vibrant, as many washes as it's had. He wore it all throughout the holiday season. It is long sleeved, okay? And so these are the sleeves, right? It is also a really lightweight material. It is very breathable. My son gets hot very easy, and he was very comfortable in this. But again, anything that's lightweight, you always want to try to layer when it's a little cooler out. He loves, loves, loves it. So this is the top for it, okay? And you guys can see the bottom, how the bottom of the sweatshirt itself looks, or how the top looks on the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and move this out the way and show you guys the pants. I love the fact that there is a drawstring type top to the pants so that you can adjust them accordingly. I always buy my kids clothes oversized a bit so that it takes a little longer for them to grow into. So this is a little oversized on him, meaning it's going to probably fit him at Christmas next year, okay? Which is great. It also has these pockets, as you see here. He loves anything with pockets. And again, the vibrant colors on the pant. Just loud and Christmassy and all of the holiday things, okay? So let me show you the bottoms of the pants so you guys can see. Skadoosh. Okay, and you guys, it's amazing. Highly recommend. I got 4 different sets of these particular sets, okay? So when I tell you they're amazing, they're amazing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys.